Hi, my name is Thies. I'm a visual consultant here at DK Global.
My name is Todd Stewart. I'm a visual consultant for DK Global. Visual consultant is usually the first point of contact for the attorney.
We're someone who is able to work with an attorney to ultimately convey what their story is in a simple video format that everyone is going to be able to understand.
The two most common visuals that DK Global creates are reconstruction and on the damages side, which is usually injuries.
So ultimately, we're bringing the liability arguments to life so the viewer can understand what exactly happened to their client.
The reconstruction is a great way to really take the audience on a visual journey, tell the story of what happened. And accident reconstruction is helpful for an attorney because it helps show where the liability lays in the case.
Ultimately, a reconstruction animation does three things. First, we focus on what the negligent acts were. Next, we show the causation. That negligence caused something. And then lastly, that causation resulted in some kind of damages. A damages presentation helps the attorney present to the opposing side, here's the numerical value of the case based off of these damages that we're looking at here. It's not necessarily changing the value, it's revealing the value.
If you don't do an animation, your alternative is to have to explain everything to your audience. Oftentimes, high-level technical information. And then also having them to remember that information. The damages presentation can help an attorney get a higher settlement or a higher verdict by highlighting everything that the plaintiff went through. That's a great question. It's something that I hear from attorneys all the time. Like, how do I safeguard this? How do I get this admitted into court? And the way to do that is to get your expert involved early in the process.
The type of experts that you're going to want to authenticate a damages presentation is a treating physician, a neuroradiologist, a neurosurgeon. Most importantly, we're looking for a reconstruction expert. A reconstruction expert, someone who goes to the scene, takes photos, looks at the vehicles, so we can gather as much information from that scene as we can. That type of information is extremely useful and valuable and is needed in order to get a visual admitted into court. And our animations, or just visuals in general, go a very long way when helping a juror, someone who may not be familiar with how substantial this injury is, to fully recognize how injured someone is.